All right, so today we are going to work through the French horn part for Ode to Joy, number 107 in the Sound Innovations book. I have it up on the screen here. Ode to Joy is a very famous song written by Ludwig van Beethoven. This is just part of the melody. So what we're going to do in this video is work through it very slowly. We're going to count and clap the rhythm, say the notes, do the fingerings, and then play it. First thing we want to check is over here our time signature and key signature. Our key signature is 4/4 time, 4 beats in a measure, and we are in the key of F major. We have one flat, and that's our B flat. Forgot to mention, we should be doing this after we warm up. So if you haven't warmed up yet, go ahead and do your breathing, buzzing, lip slurs, and then come back. All right. So let's get started at the beginning. Let's work through these first 4 measures. So the first thing we're going to do is count and clap the rhythm. When we look at it, the rhythm is really straightforward until we get here where we have the dotted quarter note and eighth note. Now, if you learned number 104, we already know how to do that. This dotted quarter note gets a beat and a half. So it goes 1 and 2. This eighth note happens on and. So 1 and 2 and. Okay, let's clap and count the first 4 measures. 1 and 2 and ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, that should be pretty straightforward. Let's say our notes next. Say them with me. A, B flat, C, B flat, A, G, F, G, A, G, G. Okay, next thing we're going to do is say the notes and finger along, and we're going to do this in rhythm. So we have A, B flat, C, B flat, A, G, F, G, A, G, G. Okay, if we're all good with that, we can go ahead and play it. Our first note is A. Go ahead and find that note. All right, let's go ahead and play. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, we should have tongued every note. Look back, see if you missed anything. Make sure you get that rhythm in the 4th measure. This time, we're going to play through it one more time. Make sure we get that mezzo forte, medium loud, and we're going to crescendo in the 4th measure. Okay, do it one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and. If you need to do that again, go ahead and rewind the video, but we're going to move on to the next 4 measures. So these 2 and then these 2. Take a look at the rhythm. You'll notice the rhythm is the same as the first 4 measures. The notes are different, but the rhythm is the same. Let's go ahead and count and clap the next 4 measures. So from here to this double bar line. 1 and 2 and ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's say the notes. Say it with me. A, B flat, C, B flat, A, G, F, G, A, G, F. All right, if we got that, let's add our fingers. Ready and go. A, B flat, C, B flat, A, G, F, G, A, G, F, F. All right, let's play that. 1 and 2 and 3 and look back, see if you missed any notes. Hopefully we're all getting this rhythm by now, that dotted quarter note. Let's do it one more time. If you weren't playing forte before, make sure you play forte this time. 1 and 2 and 3 and all right, moving on to the last 4 measures. We've got some eighth notes in here. Don't let them trip you up. Let's count and clap these 4 measures. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Because that's different, let's do it one more time. Ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Say the notes with me. G, G, A, F. G, A, B flat, A, F. G, A, B flat, A, G, F, G, C. Okay, go back here. Let's say the notes and finger long. Do it in rhythm. Ready and go. G, G, A, F. G, A, B flat, A, F. G, A, B flat, A, G, F, G, C. All right, let's play that. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Did we get down to that C? Did we miss any notes? Let's do it again. If you weren't playing mezzo piano before, so medium quiet, make sure you do it this time. 1 and 2 and 3 and. All right. Now, the parts you need to work on, go back and work on them. You shouldn't be getting this all on the first try. If you are, awesome, but most likely not. So go back and do parts again. This should take a couple days. Now, for the people who can play all the way through it, maybe you practiced it a couple of times already, we're going to play through the whole song, okay? Now remember, we have a DS alphanet at the end. DS, unlike the last song where we went back to the beginning, DS means go back to this symbol. I remember because it kind of looks like an S. So we go back to here and we play until we get to fine, which has the double bar line, okay? So if we start at the beginning, we play all the way through the first line, all the way through the second line. We go back to the symbol, we finish that line, and then we play until we hit fine or this double bar. Okay, we're gonna play the whole thing. Don't forget your notes, your rhythms, your dynamics, the repeat. All right. 1 and 2 and 3 and Okay, think back on the things you need to work on. I know I missed a note over here. I didn't sound very good at the end. My airstream wasn't too steady. So think of the things you need to fix, whether it was rhythms, notes, dynamics, that steady airstream, getting up or down to certain notes, and go back and work on that. And I will hear you in lessons next week. Happy practicing. I'll see you later.